I guess being a beautiful man with a beautiful body does not determine if you will survive Hurricane Irma. No, but I will survive. I will survive Irma. It's named after a woman. All women. All women. All women love CHAU VAN TRUONG. And no matter what you do, CHAU VAN TRUONG will continue his life of brilliance and learning and reading. Will not sit around and be stupid. Will never sit around and be stupid. But don't worry, Secrets Kept movie will save all of you Floridians. Support it. And we will rebuild. We will rebuild a better Florida. You hear me? Okay.